So today, with the help of my son, we're going to unbox the Synido MIDI controller TempoKEY K25, and we're going to connect it to Ableton Move. So let's start by unboxing. So exciting.
Ooh.
Wow, check that bag out.
Wow. Nice bag.
Not many people give you the bag.
Is there anything else? Doesn't seem like it.
So it looks like that bag, you can use that strap to take that bag with you. Yeah, so it's portable.
Ooh. Good quality. I like it. Ooh. Seems they've given us a ton of little goodies.
Yeah, so you've got the USB cable. It looks like there's a MIDI cable as well and a power cable.
Love this cable.
I think it's USB powered, but the cable is there as well if you need to do other power.
Ooh.
Let's check it out.
And here we have the final product.
So shiny, isn't it? Beautiful looking.
Extremely.
Let's see
It's got 4 pads. It seems to have 8 pads. It's got some knobs, pitch and modulation.
It's a nice colour as well. It's got a sensor glider. Is that all that's in the bag?
It seems like it.
Why don't we connect it using the cables they gave us? Why don't we connect it to the Ableton Move?
Absolutely.
So let's get that cable going. And it's a Type-C connection. And obviously this Ableton Move is a smaller, I don't know what you call them, it's Type A, I think. Really nice. And yeah, that's pretty straightforward. No, wrong. Yeah, that's better.
Right about there. Now turn it on.
Okay, so you can use the pad. Are the pads a good sensitivity?
Yeah, pretty good. Over here we have a little screen that tells you the master volume. Although I don't think it works with this specifically.
No, this has to be mapped into maybe a laptop. Right, so let's have a look at the back. So you've got the Type-C cable, sustain pedal, power, and a MIDI out. And it's pretty simple, but it feels really nice. And as you said, it has kind of like this 90s aesthetic, doesn't it? It feels like it's from the 90s, so super cool.
Bye.
Bye-bye.